Sa pumili na wishes fulfilled, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit hindi ka pa magka-love life or pwede ring hindi ba siya magka-love life. Really depends on your question. So, let's see what we have. I'm sensing maraming ginagawa or laging bigo. Pero na-sense ko dapat manatili kang mahinahon or pwede yung tao mo if ever you're asking for a person with regards to his or her situation, maging mahinahon kung sino man ito. Kasi I'm sensing na siguro as of now, nafe-feel ko yung magulo yung isip, to be honest with you, or naguguluhan pa rin with regards sa life. Yun yung pakiramdam. Okay. Nasense ko rin nakikiuso. Very interesting. Okay, nasense ko rin sensitibong bagay. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. May nasense din akong unwillingness. I'm sensing remove the negativity and toxic traits. Okay, I'm sensing umiiwas sa love life. Lakas ng cards. Lakas ang bigay ng message with regards to this reading. So, tingnan natin kung bakit hindi ka pa magka-love life or pwede rin di pa magka-love life yung iyong tao. Ngayon, I'm sensing na parang sanay na kasing mag-isa. Honestly, or feeling mo mas masaya ka mag-isa or pwedeng yung taong tinatanong mo, parang feeling niya masaya mag-isa. But yet, with the alone being here, of course, hindi naman maiwasan to na parang you feel lonely kasi you are alone. But yet, despite of it, parang masaya pa rin kahit single. Honestly speaking, parang kontento kumbaga. So far with regards naman sa pag-aaruga, to be honest with you, there's a problem about it. You know how to love. So maybe, or it can be internal mo sa akin, this person knows how to love. Honestly, walang dapat ikabahala doon. Pero parang nalulungkot ka kasi gusto mo sanang magmahal. Honestly. And maybe you're wondering kung handa ka ba or hindi pa magkaroon ng jowa. Okay? Handa naman kasi nandito si Nurture. So, let's see what else do we have here. So, anyway, to be honest with you, with a grateful being here. So, kaya single kasi it's kinda like a blessing in disguise. Honestly. Parang may point sa iyong buhay or pwede rin sa tinanong mo sa akin, may point sa buhay na ma-realize mo na not having a partner is a blessing. Kasi feeling ko with idea here, may parating. Baka idea yan with regards sa negosyo, to be honest, or others can be about traveling and so on. So, it's kinda like a blessing in disguise na single, honestly. Naalala ko tuloy na remember kapag, let's say, gusto mag-migrate ng ibang bansa, or parang meron ka sponsorship sa ibang bansa na pwedeng kukunin ka ng iyong magulang or ng iyong kamag-anak, required diba na single? Kasi kung may asawa na mahirap, dalhin doon. So, maybe it's also a blessing in disguise, kaya single yung isang tao. Yeah, kasi feeling ko with the idea, it's kind of like an opportunity, honestly, okay? So, anyway, okay, this is actually interesting kasi to be honest with you, yung mga friends mo, parang okay lang naman sa kanila na maging single ka. So, marahil na pressure ka with regards sa family. If ever it's not your case or this is your person's case, ito yung kanya nafe-feel. Kaya siguro parang gusto niya magkaroon ng relationship or ikaw rin gusto mo. Kasi nga, baka tinutukso ka na. So, anyway, yung dapat mong gawin or yung person mo dapat lang gawin, umiwas siya sa mga taong nanunukso na magjowa na. Honestly. Okay? Kasi with the love being here, okay, kahit na wala kang partner, you are loved. Ito yung dapat mong isipin. Kasi first of all, may friendship ka naman that truly loves and cares for you. Honestly, so marahil yung mga kamag-anak mo na nanunukso sa'yo, maybe they are just worried about you. Kasi naisip nila yung future mo, kung tumanda ka na, sino magmamahal sa'yo. Pero pinakita naman dito, the friendship being here, meron ka namang mga friends na loving towards you. So yeah, okay, paulit-ulit lang tayo sa blessing, okay? So, kaya ka pa single or pwedeng tinanong mo sa akin ay single pa because it's kinda like a blessing in disguise, honestly speaking. And you should be joyful about it, about you being single. At by you being single na rin, naging close ka sa Panginoon, which is good. At ganun din sa tinanong mo sa akin na tao na masaya siya. Dapat kasi it's a blessing in disguise. Yung mga may partner, mas malungkot pa yung buhay nila kaysa sa mga taong single. Kasi mahirap din talaga kapag yung nakasama mo ay salbahe, hindi mabuti, tsaka minsan may mga relasyon na stressful. Kaya sometimes talaga blessing din talaga maging single kasi hindi mo nararanasan yung mga bagay na yun, honestly speaking, okay? So, isa pa sa rason kung bakit single kasi pangarap mo nga magkaroon ng lover pero natatakot ka with a sensitive or sensual card being here. Natatakot ka to actually, parang, show your body. Parang ganun. Nahiya ka sa yung katawan kung magustuhan ka ba ng tao or hindi. Kasi, yun nga, nahihiya. Maybe, I'm not sure if it's you or the person that you asked for, so that's the reason kung bakit gusto nga niya magka-partner, pero nahihiya siya kasi parang siya na-insecure sa kanyang katawan. So, we also have this one. Okay, so anyway, with regards to this, to be honest with you, na yung hadlang din ay ang work. Maraming ginagawa, to be honest. So, it's kind of like remind me na before I did this reading, maraming ginawa, busy. Dapat may nakalaan akong araw for this one pero na-delay. So, another reason kung bakit single as of now, kasi yun nga maraming ginagawa at itong mga gawain na to, yung nagpapastop for you or this person to have a partner. Stuck with regards sa career. Pero with the royalty being here, so dahil sa single ka, nagkakaroon ka syempre ng money or ng abundance, okay? So we have the wishes fulfilled here. Okay, I'm not quite sure kung ano yung winish mo or winish ng yung tao. Can be itong tao na to kasi feeling ko talaga may happiness naman despite of the this lacking of love life, honestly speaking. I feel na yung wishes fulfilled is more can be about being happy na rin. Kasi masaya. Dahil may mga tao nagmamahal sa'yo. Wala kang sakit ng ulo with regards sa relationship. honestly, or can be yung taong tinanong mo sa akin. At saka yung wishes fulfill na rin is with regards sa money. So, marahil na rin, isa sa dahilan ba't single itong taon na to, or can be you as well, baka naman hiniling mo sa Panginoon na maging single ka. Who knows? Or can be itong taon na to, hiniling niya. Tinupad lang ng Panginoon yung kahilingan, so kaya ito yung nangyari. So anyway, wag lang sanang ill wish, okay? Na may nag-ill wish sa kanya. So far, wala naman tayo nakita dito about ill wishing. You know, it's kinda like, more likely it's a blessing disguise na single pa yung isang tao. Yun yung pinakita dito sa reading, okay? So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Kaya sobrang busy yung nafe-feel ko rin. So we have the save. So this is with regards sa abundance sa money. Kasi nakita naman natin dito na parang sobrang busy niya. Hindi siya magkaroon ng love life, diba? Ito yung nangyari, naging stuck at hindi makaroon ng love life. So, yung pagsasave kasi ng money, baka may kinalaman siya with regards sa idea dito. Kasi baka someday magkaroon ka ng negosyo or yung tao mo ng negosyo. Kaya, you know, hindi in-advise ng Panginoon na magkaroon muna siya ng relasyon. So, ganun yung nangyari. Okay? So, you also have the missing you. So, another reason kung bakit single pa rin, kung sino man yung tinanong mo sa akin, or can be you. Maybe you're still waiting for someone in your life, or may nakilala ka na parang gusto mong maging jowa or partner. Hinihintay mo tong taon to. That can be. We also have this one pass. So this is in either way. So in some cases, I'm not sure if it will resonate with you or about the story of this person. So remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, okay? So yun nga, yung isa sa rason kung bakit pa rin single, kasi yung tao na single, may hinihintay siya na past na tao na gusto niyang gawing partner. Pero si past natin na hinakain either way, ibig sabihin lang nun na, you know, parang alangan kumbaga, na, you know, you will not know what will happen. Kasi sometimes may tendency na rin na kung sino hinihintay natin. Sometimes may partner na to. So, not quite sure about it. Joke in reverse. So, maybe gusto mo talaga yung tao na yun. Maybe because the connection is serious. So, you also have the fake in reverse. So, isa sa rason ba't single, because that person is looking for a real partner, not a fake one. We also have the beautiful, but it's in either way. So, ito yung na-explain kanina with regards to this, na may insecurity with regards sa beauty, kaya kahit yung beautiful dito ay naka-in either way. So, you also have the warm, and I feel love with regards sa warm, and we also have you're always in my mind, forever in my heart, in either way. So, this is with regards dun sa mga tao na may nihintay na past na tao sa kanilang buhay. Honestly, kaya siya naka-in either way. Ito rin past kasi ibig sabihin noon na it's kinda like a 50-50. Okay? Kasi syempre sa tagal ng panahon, di mo alam kung yung past na tao na yon meron ba siyang partner na, wala. Okay? Nakalungkot dito kapag hintay ka ng hintay, tapos wala. Nasasabi ko lang about dito, if ever this is your case situation until now you are single, tama lang na huwag yung madaliin yung love life, let go and let God, kasi pinakita naman sa yung reading na it's kinda like a blessing disguise that you are currently single. Ito lang mga kamag-anak mo siguro yung parang nagpupush sa'yo na magkaroon ng jowa, or can be your friends as well, kasi may nakita tayong friends dito. Okay? So, wag kang ma-pressure sa kanila. Okay? What is meant to be is meant to be. Okay? So, let's see what else. Habang nagsishuffle ako ng cards, masakit actually dito sa left hand. So, can be may na-frustrate or may negative emotion ng isang tao with regards dun sa tao na wala pang partner sa ngayon. Okay? I don't know why, pero na-sense ko rin no partner since childhood. Hugs to you or to this person. Okay, so totoo lang, kung sino man na natanong mo sa akin, mabuti naman itong tao na to. Kung sino man single na yan, okay, yung tinutukoy ko. So, it can be you, kasi sometimes you could be asking about yourself as well. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, anyway, oh, this is nice. Kasi you are definitely somebody na parang defensive, kumbaga. As you can see, so isa sa rason kung bakit single kasi may pagka-defensive kung sino man yung single. Either you or yung taong tinanong mo sa akin. So, isa rin sa dahilan kung bakit single itong tao na to kasi he or she didn't make a move. So, you can see. Or wala sa plans yung pagiging what we call this, pagkakaroon ng asawa or can be pagkakaroon ng relasyon. Okay, so anyway, parang yun nga, kontento kasi may money as you can see here. Parang medyo kung may nakaramdam ako na lungkot dito kasi I feel like with the 5 being here, kung sino man yung single na yan, provider rin siya ng love with the people around him or her. Kaya nakakalungkot na parang hindi niya yung provide if ever, may partner siya sana, pero wala eh. Okay, so, yun nga, another reason kung bakit walang partner, kasi yun nga, hindi na go after on finding a lover. There's also a thing, parang busy lang siya with regards, let's say, sa maybe nag-charity work, kung sino man ito. To be honest, so busy lang siya doon. So, yun nga, yung isa sa dahilan din, kasi may nihintay na past person at hindi makamove on sa past na tao. Yun din yung dahilan. So, yun nga, nabanggit ko kanina, yung pagiging defensive. Kaya hindi nagkaroon ng partner. Hanggang friends lang, as you can see here. Kasi yung gusto mo sana na tao, or gusto niya na tao, kung sino man natanong mo sa akin, gusto niya sana is somebody na balance, or somebody na upright, with the justice card being here. So, anyway, yun nga, may requirement na if ever waiting for yung past lover, ito yung masakit, na yung iba sa inyo or sa yung taon, kailangan niya mag-move on. It really depends on the situation kasi hindi naman lahat nag-resonate tungkol sa may hinihintay na pas na tao, okay? So, ito lang for that. So, ito yung parang go signal ng Panginoon na mag-move on na sa pas na tao. Kasi parang ba naghihintay sa wala, honestly speaking. Kasi even si Knight of Swords ay naka-reverse. As you can see. Kasi kung sino man siguro hinihintay na tao na yan, hindi siya kumikilos nakaupo lang siya doon. Parang busy lang din sa coins. So, ito rin siguro yung energy mo or yung taong tinanong mo sa akin na more on focus sa money. Yun ang nangyayari. Kaya, hindi siya magkaroon ng love life kasi hindi siya focus on finding a lover, okay? So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na madali niyo maghanap ng lover or i-push mo yung tao mo na magkaroon ng partner, wag ganon. Kasi, based naman sa reading, it's kinda like a blessing in disguise na single. Yung tanging request lang dito sa yung reading is kinda like moving on from the past person, okay? So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless you.